When I had first started, it was just the same old, everything I've already gone through in my life. It wasn't really working until I learned that yes, you can have fun in the classroom. It's not illegal. And so I started incorporating that into my classroom by expressing some more creativity, some more enthusiasm. And now I see that by posing the correct questions, by having conversations with my students, they're really actually understanding the topics at hand. So what really triggered me to move towards a more conversational approach of teaching, there was this one time where we had some training with some lovely folks, and they brought with them some activities and some interactive lessons and classroom management. And that's when it really stuck with me and said, hey, we can have fun and still learn, actually. Mentimeter was just my first step into that process. It was nice and quick. I could just throw in a question of the day at the beginning. I could throw in a couple quizzes here and there, and then suddenly my classroom became more engaging. What's different in the classroom today is basically everything. Now I'm a lot more student-focused, student-driven. I still use slides, sure, and I kind of have them as my loose points of what to talk about, but that's the key difference. I'm not reading them anymore, I'm talking about them. I'm talking about those points. I'm having a conversation before that slide, after that slide. It's all student-focused. What changed for my students is their new mentality and approach to my classrooms. It's not just come in and learn things, it's now, okay, we're gonna be discussing things, we're gonna be having conversation, I'm gonna be able to ask questions at any point, and they're going to be heard. I would love for other educators to really start expressing a little bit more creativity and enthusiasm, because we ask that of our students, but rarely do we lead by that example. You get what you give, and so we should demonstrate that learning isn't about memorizing, it's about that deep critical thinking. How do you get it? Well, just pose some good questions to your students, something that really engages their brains and has them think critically on the topic at hand. Great teaching comes by you asking phenomenal questions to your students, things that make them really critically think on a topic and really engage their brains with what you're talking about.